If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on CMF Phone 2 Pro, you can, for example, open the gallery, select the photo that you wish to set as the wallpaper, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then choose Set As. And then over here we want to select Photos Wallpaper option, this one over here. We need to grant permission. And there we go. We can of course move the photo around. We can zoom in and zoom out. So let's say I'm gonna use it like this. There we go. Now we can tap in order to show these this additional option, like the scrolling effect, and we can press this check over here in the top right corner. Besides that, we can apply it for the lock screen or home screen, just one of them, or you can enable for both. If it's enabled for both, we can enable the atmosphere, which allows you to use this additional effect for the home screen. And there is also the glass effect as well. So let's say I'm going to use this atmosphere option, press done in the top right corner, and there we go. Besides that, you can go to settings, then choose customization, and over here you can go to more wallpapers in order to choose my photos, where you can also open the gallery over here and choose the photo in order to set it as a wallpaper. So essentially you have two main ways to set up the photo from your gallery as a wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!